Summer is here. That means beach days, pool parties, and plenty of time outdoors. But while the sun gives us that warm, golden glow, it can also cause serious skin damage. Don't worry though. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep your skin safe and glowing all summer long. Let's dive in. The number 1 rule: sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Always go for a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Bonus tip: don't forget your ears, neck, and the tops of your feet. Fashion meets function. A wide-brimmed hat, UV protective clothing, and sunglasses with UV blocking lenses are lifesavers when it comes to sun protection. Stay cool while keeping your skin safe. Step 3. Seek shade and avoid peak hours. Between AM and PM, the sun is at its strongest. If you can, stay in the shade or bring an umbrella. Your skin will thank you. Step 4. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Sun exposure can dehydrate your skin. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to keep your skin fresh and healthy. Protecting your skin doesn't mean missing out on summer fun. Follow these simple tips, and you'll be glowing without the burn. Question for you: what's your go-to summer skincare hack? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more skincare tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out.